Certified quality. And that the girl them need and I cry for every day without apology. But them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beyonce. Now hear the man say, this a dirty yeah, dirty yeah, dirty yeah, dirty yeah. Beyonce, sing it now.
Ladies, whoa. I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put a hurtin' on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. See my hips, big hips, so chop. See my butts and my lips don't chop. Lost a few pounds in my waist, oh yeah. It's the kind of beat that go rock, ta ta.